Second opinion, GE dishwasher not doing anything, no lights, but unit is getting power.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is Mark. I'm an appliance repair technician with 20 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. You want to actually replace the control module part. You see if you were able to reset the module and get power to the display. This is not a control board issue. I read the other question, and it's not going to be a faulty control panel, but a faulty module, since you were able to reset it by pressing cycle select and start. Part link here https://www.easyapplianceparts.com/partinfo.asks. Inventory equals 125827333 and source code equals 1 and search term equals PDT855SSJ0SS and model num equals PDT855SSJ0SS and model ID equals 6780232.
If this is the model number PDT855SSJ0SS, what is correct part number?
Part #WD21 by 24802. If you replace the control panel, you will be wasting money on the part. The cause of the display going dead is a tripped control module, or the program on the computer board. So if it happens again, you want to replace the module and not the control panel. I have a lot of experience with this model, and this is not a control panel issue but rather a control module that has tripped. Here is a sheet put out by GE. They always mention to replace the heat element and update the CSM module on the control module, but updating the program costs the same as just replacing the module.
I definitely believe you. That other guy wasn't making sense logically. Just to be clear, I'm replacing which is above part number.
When you press the cycle select and start for 5 seconds and then the panel lit up, that means the panel is fine. The issue lies with the module itself, because the CSM module tripped. Sometimes it can trip due to a glitch, or other times it can trip due to a leak. So make sure you check below the dishwasher to see if it has been leaking. If it has, inspect to see if the element connections caused the leak. If so, you want to remedy that, or else the issue will happen again. Yes, that is the correct part to replace. That is the control module. It supplies voltage to the display that had no power. And the test to see if the CSM module tripped is by pressing the cycle select and start buttons together for 5 seconds. If the display lights up, the display is fine. The issue is a tripped CSM module. GE usually suggests you replace the element and update the module program. Doing the update to the module actually costs the same as replacing the module, and requires a process that is a bit complex. So, it's easier to just replace the module. Also check to see if water has been leaking below the dishwasher. If you see water has been leaking below the dishwasher, then you will want to remedy that leak, or else the module will trip again. It usually leaks where the element is connected to the dishwasher tub base. If you see no leaks or traces of a leak, just replace the module. However, if you got the display going and the dishwasher works again, and you see no trace of leaks, you might be okay without replacing the module. Sometimes the CSM module will just trip due to a computer program error. But if it happens again, you want to replace the module. Would you like me to email you the full repair manual for this model? If so, I need your email address to email it. No charge for it, I have it on my computer. Okay. If you want the full repair manual, I can send it. At any rate, if you need more assistance with this issue, I'm happy to help out. I know these GE models very well. Have a lot of experience with them. So if you need more assistance with this, I'm happy to help.
No, it's okay, thanks so much for your help.
You are welcome. Happy to help out. You must work as a tech. I see you often ask questions about appliances. Have a great day and be safe.
Sir, thanks again.
Happy to help out.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.